What's going on, guys? We have Mosaic and Select tonight. 10 mega boxes, 2020 football. Appreciate everyone joining up tonight. Wish you guys all the best of luck. Ready to pull some fire for you guys. We will get started here shortly. We'll let everybody get joined up here. Should be a fun one tonight with our one and only Mosaic box. All right, guys, I guess we'll go ahead and get her started. Again, good luck, everyone. We'll go ahead and start with one of our purple Prism die cut boxes. We have 7 of these tonight. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Purple Concourse, LaVisca Chenault. Nice. We have a silver Concourse, Gabriel Davis. That's sick. James Morgan Field. Purple Club, Cam Chancellor. Michael Vick, turbocharged. I'm going to go ahead and get LaVisca up there just to start the night off. I don't like it. Bear. And I like LaVisca. Here we go. Purple Premier, Deshaun Watson. White Club, Todd Gurley. Purple Concourse, Cam Newton. Chase Young, Premier. And a Hot Stars, Ezekiel Elliott. Purple Concourse, Patrick Queen. That's sick. I like that one. Queen's awesome. Unbreakable, Ray Lewis. Purple Premier, Darrington Evans. Nice. We have a silver Premier, Aaron Rodgers. Josh Kelly Club. It's a nice silver Rodgers. Purple Club, Justin Jefferson. Nice. Chase Claypool, certified. There's a nick there on the top right. And Josh Kelly, Premier. Those factory nicks. Purple Concourse, Zach Moss. We have a white field, Terry Bradshaw. Love those white fields. Those are sick. Purple Premier, Cam Akers. Nice. Turbocharged, Deion Sanders. Purple Field, Gabriel Davis. We had his silver concourse in this box as well. Nick Bosa, Hot Stars, and Noah. Miami rookie. We're going to go for another one. Box number 2, guys. Tua Concourse. Starting us off, we have a purple Concourse, Zach Moss. Silver Concourse, Phillip Rivers. Russell Wilson Field. Purple Club, Peyton Manning. Hot Stars, TJ Watt. Justin Jefferson Concourse. We have a purple Premier, Henry Ruggs. Nice. White Field, Laviska Shenault. That's sick. And a Henry Ruggs Club. I like Ruggs too. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Chase Young. Terrell Davis, Unbreakable. Van Jefferson, Premier. Purple Concourse, Jerry Jeudy. That's sick. Joe Burrow, certified. Purple Premier, Antonio Gandy Golden. Silver Premier. Looks like it might be Washington as well. No, Tom Brady. Nice. Tampa Bay. Colors were pretty close. There you go, Bucks. Purple Club, Aaron Rodgers. Lamar Jackson, turbocharged. L'Jarius Sneed, Premier. Purple Concourse, Dak Prescott. White Premier, Baker Mayfield. Purple Premier, Jacob Eason. Hot Stars, Saquon and Keyshawn Vaughn, Club. Last pack Magic, we have a Purple Field, Travis Kelce. Unbreakable Ed Reed and Tom Brady, Premier. Here we go. We're going to knock out one of our red Prism die cut boxes. We have 2 of these boxes tonight. Here we go, guys. Box number 3. Red Premier, Michael Pittman Jr. Silver Concourse, Odell Beckham Jr. Jake Fromm, Club. Red Concourse, Patrick Mahomes. That's sick looking. Silver Premier, Dak Prescott. Red Premier, Tua. Nice. Jalen Hurts, certified. That was a good pack. Red Concourse, Bradley Chubb. Turbocharged, Emmitt Smith. Red Club, Khalil Mack. Certified, Chase Young. And Brian Edwards, Premier. Red Premier, Tom Brady. Man, that's nice. We have a Copper Club, Josh Kelly. That one is 89 of 355 on the Josh Kelly. And Isaiah Wilson, Club. Nice Brady, that's awesome. Red Club, Malik Taylor. Unbreakable, LaDainian Tomlinson. Jacob Eason, Premier. Red Concourse, Mike Evans. More for Tampa. We have a Copper Field, Isaiah Simmons. That one is 320 of 355 on the Simmons. Go Arizona. Herbert Concourse. Red Field, Mike Vrabel. Polamalu, Unbreakable, and J.K. Premier. Red Concourse, T. Higgins. Getting some good reds. Alvin Kamara, Hot Stars, and Mekhi Becton. Bringing us to box number 4. What's going on here? There we go. Here we go. Purple Premier, Aaron Rodgers. It's our third Rodgers Prism. We have a White Club, Michael Pittman Jr. DeAndre Swift Club. Purple Concourse, Bradley Chubb. Hot Stars, Lamar, and a Tua Premier. Purple Concourse, KJ Hamler. Lawrence Taylor, Unbreakable. Purple Premier, Jason Huntley. We have a Silver Premier, Brian Edwards. Purple Club, Christian McCaffrey. Jordan Love, Certified. And Justin Jefferson, Premier. Purple Concourse, Jonathan Taylor. White Field, Joe Thomas. Purple Premier, A.J. Dillon. That's nice. Turbocharged, Randy Moss. And KJ Club. Purple field, Christian McCaffrey. OBJ Hot Stars. Purple Concourse, Jake Luton. Silver Concourse, CJ Ham. Darrington Evan Field. And we are on our last pack magic here for box number 4. Purple Club, Keyshawn Vaughn. Unbreakable Bettis and Jason Huntley. Here we go, guys. Box number 5. Purple Concourse, Michael Pittman Jr. Unbreakable Brady with New England. Purple Premier, Cam Akers. Silver Concourse, LaVisca Chenault. That's nice. Some nice LaViscas so far. Purple Club, Henry Ruggs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Certified, and Gabriel Davis Premier. Purple Concourse, Keyshawn Vaughn. We have a white field, Devin Duvernay. Purple Premier, Brett Favre. Mahomes, turbocharged. Anthony McFarland Jr. Club. Purple field. Looks like a QB. Daniel Jones. Julio Jones, Hot Stars. Trayvon Diggs, Premier. Purple Concourse, Devin Duvernay. We have a silver field, Kyle Duggar. Nice. I like that one. I think he only has a field, so that's nice. Purple Club, Mike Vrabel. Unbreakable Bradshaw, Edwards-Helaire, Premier. Purple Premier, DeAndre Swift. White Premier, Derek Carr. Last pack Magic, box number 5. This marks our halfway point. Purple Concourse, Denzel Mims. KJ Hamler certified. Here we go, box number 6. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Michael Pittman Jr. Silver Premier, Anthony McFarland Jr. Nice. And Brandon Ayuk, Field. Purple Club, Vander Esch. Hot Stars, Prescott. And Mekhi Becton. Purple Premier, Nick Chubb. White Concourse, Khalil Mack. Chase Young Club. Purple Concourse, TJ Watt. Unbreakable, Polamalu and Eason. Purple Concourse, Derrick Henry. Chase Young certified. Purple Premier, Deshaun Watson. We have a Silver Club, Drew Brees. That's sick. Purple Club, Emmitt Smith. Emmitt Smith turbocharged. And Chase Young. Purple Concourse, Jake Fromm. White Club, Mike Vrabel. Purple Premier, Darrington Evans. Hot Stars, Kamara. Josh Kelly Club. Tua Concourse. Purple Field, KJ Hamler. Unbreakable Tomlinson. And Josh Kelly. Down to our last 4, guys. Here we go, box number 7. Purple Concourse, James Conner. Cam Akers, certified. And Jalen Hurts, Premier. Purple Concourse, Joe Reed. Turbocharged, Elliott. Purple Premier, Patrick Mahomes. Silver Premier, Ben Roethlisberger. Purple Club, Michael Thomas. J.J. Watt, Hot Stars. And Ayuk, Premier. Purple Concourse, Damon Arnett. White Concourse, Cam Newton. Purple Premier, Brian Edwards. Urlacher, Unbreakable. Purple Field, Nick Bosa. Certified, Jonathan Taylor. Anthony McFarland Jr., Premier. Purple Concourse, Edwards-Helaire. Nice. Silver Club, Laviska Shenault. KJ Field. Purple Club, David Montgomery. Turbocharged, T. Higgins. Last Pack Magic, box number 7. Purple Premier, Drew Brees. White Club, Daniel Jones. All right, guys. 3 boxes left. We're going to go ahead and knock out our last purple box, our 7th one. For box number 8. Here we go. Purple Concourse, Nick Chubb. Hot Stars, Josh Jacobs. Claypool Premier. Purple Premier, Christian McCaffrey. Silver Concourse, Derek Brown. Purple Club, Thomas Davis Sr. Unbreakable, Frank Gore. DeAndre Swift, Premier. Purple Concourse, Alvin Kamara. White Field, Justin Herbert. There we go. That's sick. We were due for a nice white field there. I feel like all of our white fields after that LaVisca weren't very good. Man, what a Herbert. That's nice. Purple Premier, Alex Smith. Herbert Certified. Andrew Thomas Club. Purple Field, Terry Bradshaw. Hot Stars, Cam Newton. And KJ. Thought that was something on the card. That's just something on his jersey. Purple Concourse, Jalen Hurts. Nice. Silver Premier, Tommy Stevens. And P. Ryan Field. Purple Club, Raekwon Davis. Turbocharged, Cam Newton. Purple Premier, Michael Pittman Jr. White Premier, John Elway. Tua Club. Last pack Magic. Our last purple Concourse, Anthony McFarland Jr. Unbreakable Peyton Manning and Gabriel Davis Premier. Man, I'm not sure if I want to do the Mosaic last or second to last. Let's go ahead and just do it last. Here we go, guys. Our second red prism die cut box. For box number 9. Red Concourse, James Robinson. That's awesome. Cole Kmet Certified. Jacob Eason Premier. Red Field, Chase Young. Nice. That's awesome. Unbreakable Lawrence Taylor. Brian Edwards Premier. I like that Young. Red Concourse, Derrick Henry. Silver Premier, Isaiah Coulter. Keyshawn Vaughn, Field. Red Concourse, A.J. Dillon. Randy Moss, turbocharged. Mekhi Becton. Joe Burrow, Concourse. I think that's the first Burrow we've seen tonight. Here we go. Red Premier, Mekhi Becton. Copper, Club, Troy Aikman. That one is 47 of 355. Antonio Gibson, Club. Red Premier, Nick Chubb. Silver Concourse, Ben DiNucci. That's a nice one. There you go, Dallas. Red Club, Dan Marino. Hot Stars, OBJ. Red Concourse, CJ Ham. We have a Copperfield, Chad Johnson. That one is numbered 171 of 355. Chase Young Premier. Red Premier, Laviska Shenault. Nice. Some nice Laviskas tonight. Unbreakable Bettis and Okuda Club. Here we go, our last select pack. Red Club, Jordan Love. Nice. It's a good way to finish there. And a Jordan Love certified. There we go. We do have Mosaic, our one and only Mosaic box. Been a while since I've opened one of these. Here we go, guys. Good luck. These are fun. All right, guys, here we go. Or actually, hold on. Let me move this stack real quick. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, I'm used to starting off upside down. Brandon Ayuk, rookie. We have a green reactive. Joe Burrow debut. Nice. There you go, Bengals. You were due. Silver Mosaic, Thurman Thomas. Nice green reactive Burrow. That's awesome. Falk Moss Hall of Fame. We have a green reactive. Ben Roethlisberger. Will to win. Aaron Rodgers. Boomer. We have a rookie. Henry Ruggs. Ooh. Oh. Nice. That caught me off guard. Genesis. T. Higgins. Wow. Bengals. Killing it on this last box. Got game. Adam Thielen. There we go. We hit a Genesis. Wow. That's wild. Nice. Way to go, Cincinnati. Jerry Rice, Mark Andrews. We have our green reactive. Tyler Eifert. More for Cincinnati. Green got game. Michael Thomas. Fitzgerald. Patrick Queen, rookie. Green reactive. We have a rookie. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Nice. And a silver. Steve Young, Hall of Fame. Man, this is a good box. Nice Helaire. Tom Brady base. Chase Claypool debut. We have a green reactive, LaDainian Tomlinson. Old school, Jerry Rice. We have a rookie behind John Elway, Derek Brown. Green reactive, Marlon Mack. And a flea flicker, silver mosaic to the Bucks. That's awesome. It's got Brady on there. Curtis Martin, Jerry Rice, green reactive, Tom Brady MVPs. Man, we're getting some fire green reactives. That one is with New England on that one. TD Masters, Peyton Manning. Yeah, we had a nice mosaic box, that's for sure. We have a rookie, Gabriel Davis. Green reactive, Joe Namath. Silver Mosaic, Josh Jacobs. Last pack Magic. Never know with this box. Jared Goff. Cole Kmet debut. Green reactive Von Miller. And a will to win green Derrick Henry. Awesome, guys. Appreciate everyone's time tonight. That was a fun break. We do have more tomorrow night, guys, so check us out on eBay. We should have some more football next week as well. So everyone have a good night tonight, and we'll see you guys next time.